What's up, muscle car people? This is Brilliant Muscle Cars and I'm Matt. Today we got a special treat for you. We're gonna do a quick walk around of my buddy Scott's twin turbo GT Mustang. Now Scott built this whole thing in his garage. He pulled the motor out, built it, put it back in, put the twin turbo kit on it. He's tuned it for the most part all by himself, so that's pretty impressive. The car runs pretty good. I don't think he's gotten it down the track as fast as he'd like, but he'll get there, just a little bit more time. So you just saw that little intro. Now we're gonna do a walk around with Scott. It was at a car show and it was quite loud, so I wasn't sure if the audio was gonna come through very well. It came through pretty good. So let me know at the end of the video what you thought. Leave your comment down below, and if you're like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching. Alright, here. You want to talk about the motor and the turbo and all that?
The turbos are actually comp turbo oilless 6767s. They're rated for 1K each. I have the tail race gates on there. It's actually an on-3, it was an on-3 base kit, twin turbo kit. The motor is actually a 2013 sleeve block, which is built with ARP head studs, main studs. It's been line honed, and it has manly rods and ball pistons.
Oh, nice.
And it's gapped for boost at about 26 thousandths. And,
what compression ratio are you running?
Running 11:1.
11.
And basically I'm running also ID 1300 injectors. And I'm running also a set of QTP electric cutouts underneath for the exhaust. And in the front right now I'm running a air-to-water intercooler, which also has a killer chiller installed that's tapped into the air conditioning. We'll be upgrading to a 1750 horsepower belt core intercooler made by Cy Lee down in Florida.
Oh, that's who makes it? I didn't realize that.
Yep. 2011. Started out as a 2011 BPP.
What fuel system are you running?
Running a 4 fuel system, return style, with dual 465 Walbros, and one pump is actually on a hop switch at 5 psi. And it's actually running on E85, so it's got the PTFE lines. That's compatible with E85. Nice. 2016 Recaro seats. Basically made my own custom wrapping. Make it compatible with the car, and basically gutted the interior of the seats and put the 2011 internals in in those seats.
The airbags and all
Yep,
that.
airbags and everything are all 2001.
And then what gauges do you have here?
I have a methanol gauge by Snow, which is the top one. The bottom one is the oil pressure, AEF. There's a digital center unit. I'm running the custom buttons on the steering column. For the left button is the trans brake, and the right is actually the bump valves. They're connected to the 6R stager, which is used in conjunction with the 6R80. And the dash is actually a 2014 that's been programmed, and I installed it. And it's running a stereo setup
Performance does not condone or encourage burnouts.
with a Pioneer AV 4100 double DIN radio. Bluetooth and everything. And there's a custom built handle that I 3D printed at home. And that's actually connected to the parachute line that goes into the trunk. The cage.
Yeah.
The cage is a 850 certified and HRA cage, and that's made by MTK's Welding in Roselle, New Jersey. Excellent job. If you guys are interested, hit Mark up.
Is that a custom cage or is it
Custom cage.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep. And basically in the back seat here, to the right, the bottle, we're running CO2 for the wastegates instead of manifold vacuum. And the other tank here is the intercooler tank that's running the fluid for the intercooler that runs through the killer chiller.
So that's for the killer chiller? Nice. And you're putting ice and everything in there, right?
No ice.
No ice.
No ice.
Just water?
Just water.
Oh,
Usually
nice.
at 90-degree temps.
Uh-huh.
It's usually when the AC is filled.
Yeah.
It's usually around 64.
Yeah.
Battery cut off on the outside here. That's the methanol tank that's not hooked up yet. The nitrous bottle mounted underneath the carpet.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm running a set of MagnaFlow Street axle mats.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to link a couple more videos that if you like this one and you made it all the way to the end, you're going to definitely like these. So watch them. Also, that middle button right there, I think is probably, somewhere in there. Hit that button to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more action.